efficient and sustainable operation of automatic car wash machines. Today, Go&Go wants to share with you a very important aspect of operating an automatic car wash station: how to ensure stable and durable machine operation and utilize full capacity for long-term business success. In reality, many car wash stations invest in the right equipment and have a well-structured model, but after a period of operation, they still experience inconsistent revenue, being overloaded during peak hour and lacking customer during off-peak hour. The majority of the reason don't stem from the equipment itself, but from the organization and operational mindset on a daily basis. For automatic car wash station, business efficiency depends heavily on how you operate and maintain the machine daily. When operated correctly, the machines help reduce labor costs, increase the number of cars served every day, and maintain consistent washing quality. However, if the organization is not efficient, the machines can easily become overloaded, staff become stranded, and customers have to wait long time, directly affecting their experience and livelihood of returning. A very important factor in operation is the machine's capacity and the way vehicles are rolled. Automatic car washes have the advantage of fast washing, averaging only about 5 to 7 minutes per exterior vehicle. However, this capacity is only effective when you clearly separate the vehicle roll from the beginning. Vehicles that only require exterior washing should be prioritized and run continuously to increase turnover. Meanwhile, vehicles with additional interior cleaning, detail cleaning, or premium service should be arranged separately, avoiding waiting in the conveyor belt. With clear routine, the wash station will run smoothly, the machines will operate consistently, and customers will feel the professionalism from their first experience. In addition, the hours are the factor you need to pay special attention to. Typically, the wash station will be busy in the morning, evening, and on the weekend. Without proper preparation, contraction can easily occur, putting pressures on both the machine and staff. The solution is to proactively regulate service according to time slot. During peak hour, prioritize quick machine wash to expedite vehicle turnaround, while more detailed service should be offered during off-peak hour. When the volume of vehicle is evenly distributed throughout the day, the machines operate more smoothly and overall revenue improves significantly. One point that many car wash stations often overlook is training staff or proper operating procedure. Even the most modern automatic car wash machine requires proper human coordination. Staff need to understand the vehicle loading sequence, observe the washing process, quickly handle any arising situation, and guide customers to the correct waiting area. When staff understand the machine and work according to a standardized procedure, the car wash will operate more smoothly, minimizing error and creating a sense of security for customers. For the machine to operate reliably for a long time, regular maintenance and essentials. Many common problems stem from a lack of regular inspection of wire shorts, chemicals, nozzles, brushes, or electrical system. By maintaining a routine of regular checks and addressing any abnormalities early, you can minimize certain machine shutdowns, especially during peak hours, time that directly impacts revenue. When you operate at car capacity, manage traffic flow effectively, regulate peak hour well, provide proper staff training, and perform thorough maintenance, your automatic car wash will deliver its full potential. Smooth operation, fewer malfunctions, reduce reliance on manual labor, and stable daily revenue. This is the foundation for sustainable and long-term growth of your car wash station. Go&Go not only provide machines, but also support you throughout the entire operation process. If you need advice on capacities, traffic flow, staff training, or equipment maintenance, the Go&Go teams is always ready to assist you in ensuring your car wash station operates at its best. Thank you for watching the video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.